I mean, Disney was for sure one of my favorite experiences.
It's definitely Disney. If you're thinking about going to Disney, like definitely go because it's so fun. You get to make new connections and experience all the fun stuff, all the new rides.
The winter concert performance, there's been a couple of them that I've done, but this year was my first in the band.
I would get better academic habits. I would do my homework. I would actually study. I would tap in. I would do extracurriculars and all that fun stuff. Dedicate myself to school instead of just viewing it as like a chore.
I definitely pay attention to my teachers and talk to my teachers more because when you're a senior year, they can give you like recommendation letters. And also, like geometry was kind of hard for me, so I definitely pay attention and get closer to my teacher.
Lock in on all your work. Make sure you're completing your work, keeping up, getting good grades. It matters.
This one, I would just say join the band because I'm a music person and it's good to learn stuff for experience, and instruments are fun things to learn and play, even if it's just a hobby. So I would recommend that.
Invest in sports like volleyball, basketball, golf, whatever. If there's something you want to try, definitely try it because you get to make new connections, new friends, and you get a new skill that you can take into college with you.
Just like any sport, it helps keep you active. It takes up a good amount of your time, and it's a good extracurricular to have.
Debate club, because I know like some people struggle with public speaking, and it's a very good like spot to improve on that. And eventually, if you want to go into like Module 1 stuff, just to like see how that improvement has paid off.
MBK, we have the symposium trip, and it's just that's a nice experience.
I feel like as long as it's something you are personally like interested in, then it's a good extracurricular. It doesn't have to be something very specific, just as long as you're like, it's something that you can dedicate yourself to, like I said, like that you enjoy doing, that you won't find a chore or like hard to keep doing as days go by.